Well, hello there from the Hiccup, Seaside in Swampscott. We are ready after our nor'easter to have you come in and check out all the new items we have in stock. The wonderful Wicks Please candles, the Lucy Lou matches, and then we have from Dune Art, many of you have seen, from Dune Jewelry, the one-of-a-kind sand from the North Shore here in Boston in ornaments. We have the always popular Tea Forte, the Michelle designed Merry Christmas scented foaming shea butter soap, this cute little jelly cat nutcracker. Isn't she cute, the little ballerina? We have candles from French Press Candle Company right in Salem, and this scent is Peppermint Stick. They're all hand poured right here, right on the North Shore in Salem. Then we have always popular hostess napkin, cocktail napkins, and aprons by Michelle Design. Many of you have seen these recycled lobster mittens. We also have hand warmers by Michelle Design. We just got in these really cool pillows. Check out these pillows. Here's the famous Swampscott Dory, and then of course the zip code. We've got fantastic calendars by J&J Graphics. More really cool scented candles from French Press right there in Salem. We do ask that you're 5 guests at a time, and to keep everyone safe, we'll ask you to wait outside as we have others shop. And it's actually a gorgeous day. It might seem to be cold outside, but we're New Englanders and we're hardy, and standing in the sunshine with the view back to Boston is not exactly right. We have vintage wrapping paper with Cavallini. We got in this cute little bear. We've got some great books by Compendium, When You Love a Dog, When You Love a Cat. These coloring books by Hestia Creations up in Marblehead that have scenes of the Northeast up here. I mean, Hestia, the colorful Massachusetts Hestia Creations, paired with the OMY markers, are a fantastic way to spend the afternoon. My grandma and my grandpa. My dad and my mom. These are wonderful journals that you can ask them questions. Find out maybe what your dad's favorite ice cream was when he was a child. Some more coloring posters down here. These are by OMY. We've got the USA, Crazy Museum. They're for all ages. The always popular Stanley Jr. Take apart truck, and then you can put them back together in your own formation. The always popular Maybe. And then we've got these really cool scratch mats. That's of the USA. We have the World. We also have the magnetic holders that hold them. Some more signs by Miko. Here's the Bohemian. Really cool. These are $24 each. Serenity Sage has her magnesium oil. Miscellaneous goods. Fantastic playing cards. We love to play cards at our house. These are a good quality. He also makes this really cool natural deodorant that is by Underhill, the same person that does miscellaneous good. He's got a cologne. Then we have more product by French Press, Into the Woods. We've got some diffusers as well as their candles. And then we've got these cool Stitch travel notebook, passport, wallets, and you put a cross stitch on it to show where you've been. There's a sample of one on the passport covers, and those are with chasing threads. And she also has them in astrological signs. So if your thing is more of an astrological sign, that's awesome too. Some more Lucy Lou. These are their handmade matches. They're handmade wooden holders. That's of a Monet painting, but look at these matches, right? They match. They're just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. All handmade here in the US. These are the wooden ones. Then we have the beautiful and lovely citrus glass. These are their 3-inch orb. We also have a 2-inch ornament. And then we also have their very lovely tree of enchantment, which has an intention within it. All right. Well, that's just a quick view of what we've got going on here at the Hiccup today. Hope to see you soon. We want to help you create the unexpected this holiday season. Stay well.